All right, the stage is set. Let's run the PowerShell script and see the magic happen. And there it is. Look at that. A message sent from a simple PowerShell script, delivered instantly to your Telegram app. Welcome. Ever wanted to send alerts, notifications, or even just a simple hello directly to your users on Telegram from your PowerShell script? Well, today is your day. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. In just a few minutes, you'll send your first Telegram message from your own PowerShell script. It's easier than you think, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Get a Telegram Gateway API account. Head over to our website and navigate to the subscription page. Here, you'll choose the plan that's right for you, enter your email, and hit subscribe. Step 2. The handshake. This next part is crucial. You need to introduce yourself to your new gateway. First, add that gateway number to your phone's contacts. Then, open your personal Telegram app and send a simple hi to your gateway. Just like that, you'll get an instant confirmation message. This handshake authorizes the gateway to talk to you. It's that simple. Step 3. The magic code. Now for the fun part, let's write some code. Don't worry, we've done the heavy lifting for you. Go to our website and navigate to the Getting Started page. Click on the PowerShell link and you'll be taken to a dedicated tutorial for PowerShell. On this page, you'll see the complete PowerShell script. Let's grab it. I'll copy the entire block of code. Let's paste this into a text editor. I'm using VS Code, but Notepad or any editor will work just fine. Now you only need to customize a few key things: the instance ID, client ID, and client secret. You can find the values for all these in the confirmation email. But the most important part is right here, the recipient number. This is a common point of confusion, so listen closely. You are not sending to the gateway number. You are sending to your own personal Telegram number. Put down the number associated with your Telegram account so that the message comes right back to you for testing. Now let's see this in action. To run the script, we need to open a PowerShell console. You can do this by clicking the Start button and simply typing PowerShell. Once the console is open, just type the path to your script and hit Enter. All right, the stage is set. Let's run the PowerShell script and see the magic happen. And there it is. Look at that. A message sent from a simple PowerShell script, delivered instantly to your Telegram app. You've seen how simple it is. This isn't just a tutorial. It's the first step toward your automation dream. Imagine the possibilities: alert notifications, daily reports, workflow triggers, all seamlessly integrated. This is the power and simplicity of our API. So, what are you waiting for? This is just the beginning. Don't just watch. Experience it. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a trial account right now. In just a few minutes, you can be sending your own automated messages and see firsthand how you can elevate your projects. Now, go build something amazing.